You're just sitting scrolling on your phone and you want a little quick exercise to find your lower ab? Hang out with me for a sec. Most people can tighten up their top abs, but the lower abs are responsible for a whole lot of strength and a whole lot of non-pain issues that you want to be seeing when you're lifting things. You would be surprised how many people sit in a chair and can't lift their feet off of the ground. Now, if you're sitting in something like this, it's okay. It's very loungy like, but that's all right because I don't want you to move. I want this to be instantaneous. All right. I want you to be like, oh, I can do this right here, right now. Put your legs together, point your toes. Okay. If they're sitting like this, I want you to take your belly and deflate it. So you're going to do an out breath. Let the belly sink down. And then you're going to start to lift your legs up with your belly deflated, with your belly button towards your spine. Okay? Now you might be saying, how do I breathe like that? And I'm going to tell you, they found me. You practice, okay? You've got to out breath, deflate the belly, let it come in, and then practice can be a short breath, breathing with your belly in like that. You can even do this with one leg at a time. But when you do it, make sure you point the toes and make sure your belly comes in toward. When you press your belly out, I'm going to show you real quick. There's no other way to do it other than lift my shirt up, so don't be weird. Now, you're talking to someone who had an abdominal hernia, so I learned that way not to press my belly out. I ain't never living that life again. Find your out breath. Let the belly sink and then lift the leg up. All right, this is an engaged position here. You can do one leg at a time. This is hard to do two legs at a time because this is a little tiny table. This is what pressing the belly out looks like. I'm just going to show you a little hint of it. Why do people do that? I say because they have a hard time pulling in and finding their lower ab, and pressing it out seems like an easier route because they can just go, ooh, and then press their belly out. When you watch people that do that for a long time, their belly stays out because they build muscle that way, or they get hernias. Don't let your belly do that. Did you see that? Don't do that. Okay, your turn.